welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a henna video. I believe I have one of these already on my channel. It might be two, but I know there's definitely one. So if I can find it, I'll leave it linked down below. I think I was dyeing my mom's hair underneath green, and I also did henna on her arm, so I will leave that link down below. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple henna flower and how you can add other flowers onto it to make a really big henna piece with using simple, easy flowers. I'm the type of person that when I learned how to do henna, all I drew on paper, and I still do, I don't really know how to draw anything else. All I draw is henna flowers over and over and over again because that's just what I enjoy to do. So I just did a henna flower on my foot, but today we're going to be doing henna flowers on my mom's arm, and then I'm going to freestyle something on like my hand area. So I really love to do henna on my hand and on my front of my arm area because it's right there for everyone to see. You can't cover it up because you aren't going to wear gloves all the time. So I love to have the focal piece on my hand. I also did a henna piece on my mom 6 years ago. She pulled it up today. I can't believe it was 6 years ago. I will insert the photo right here. And yeah, I just love henna. The thing that I love the most about henna is that it's temporary. I was always the type of person, I'm never going to get a tattoo, and I probably never will, especially because my mom says, even though I'm 24 years old, Gina, you're not getting a tattoo, and I go, okay, Mom, I'm not going to get one. So the thing that I love is that it's temporary. It lasts 2 to 3 weeks, and I'm the type of person, like after like a week, okay, I'm ready to scrub this off and put a new one on. I don't think that I could get a permanent tattoo because I'm changing so much. Now, if you guys know anything about henna, you can get them at festivals, carnivals, at the beach maybe, when you go to certain like streets that are well known. They can be very expensive. To have a simple flower, they charge you probably like $15 to $20. But if you have your own henna, which you can order online, I believe if you type in henna tubes, they'll probably come up where you can purchase like a cone of henna, a tube of henna. I know like the real henna people, they call these cones, so I'm gonna try to be technical with the cone. So I believe that you can order these online, not quite sure where, but I picked these up at a local store near my area, and I believe that you can get these for around $6 to $12. And it's just awesome that you can save so much money, especially if you know how to do it, which I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. Definitely takes a lot of practice, and like anything else, even blinging your nails, which I will leave that video link down below, everything just takes practice. People used to say to me, how do you do makeup like that? It takes practice because my makeup never looked like this in the past. It looked crazy. My henna never looked good in the beginning, but I practice and I think that it looks pretty good now. So I'm going to teach you guys the basics on how to do henna flowers. So if you want to learn how to do that, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do a basic henna flower. So let's get started. I like to first get my henna going on a napkin because sometimes you can get a little bit of buildup. So I like to just squirt some out right there. Alright, so I'm going to do... My mom and I switched seats, so now you guys can see what we're doing a little bit better. So now that we have our swirly circle and then the half circles, I call them, now I'm going to come in and do another half circle around, but I'm going to do them a little bit wider and bigger. And then I will go back in and touch up on the ones that need to be touched up. But I like to just get a base down. Now you guys can see already that there's a little bit more detail already. So I'm going to come back in, go over the ones that need to be darker. I find the more kind of henna that you add, make sure if you get henna, it's not a watery henna, because if it's a liquidy henna, it will smear. This henna is nice and thick, so you guys can see that it's not going anywhere. So I like to apply a little bit more because my mom and I, we like a very dark henna on our skin so it will last longer. Okay, so now let's add some more detail. I'm just going to come in and add a little circle. Now let's add the petals. The petals are kind of like a heart. You just do it like that, kind of like a M with rounded corners. Remember, we can go back in and fix the ones that need to be darker. So now I'm going to come in, make them darker like we did the other half circles on the second row. The next thing I like to do is shade in the top, and all I do is I take the tip of my henna tube and I just pull down, and that will add shading. You can also squeeze out very little product, but you don't need much. Okay, so now you have pretty much your basic flower. Okay, so now I'm going to do some more of these flowers up her arm because I want to show you that you can do a beautiful look by just doing simple henna flowers. You don't need to do these intricate pieces, but you can make this look amazing by doing something so simple as a henna flower. So now I'm going to do the same exact thing up her arm. just with 3 henna flowers just like this. It's a lot of detail to add to your arm. And this was just a simple henna flower that I do on a regular, even on pieces of paper with a pen. So you can make a beautiful creation of henna on your arm doing simple henna flowers just like this. So my mom has 3 henna flowers all around the same size, and it was just so simple. So that was how to do multiple henna flowers on your arm. And let me just insert the picture one more time that I did on my mom's arm. This is nothing compared to that. Like, it was from her shoulder down to like the top of her hand. This still looks great, but you can also add to this and do it up your whole arm or on your leg, or I did one on my chest before. Like, you can do it anywhere. And remember, this is temporary. So if you mess up and it's on there for a few weeks, remember, it will come off. So now let's go on to my freestyle hand piece. Alright you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed how to learn to do a simple henna flower. You saw on my mom's arm how you could keep adding to it by doing more and more flowers and how beautiful it could look. I'm looking at it right now. Kinda wish I did that on myself, but I wanted to freestyle it and show you that you can do something totally different, do a different flower, add more design. Like, I just wanted to make mine look a little different so you guys can see that you can do a lot more with henna than doing a simple flower, but it all starts off with a simple flower pretty much. I have a simple flower right up here. Here's another one just with different petals. So really all you do is you work off that one flower. So yeah, I really like the way that mine came out. I love the way my mom's came out with just the flowers. Next time I will probably do that, just like all flowers on my arm. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video on learning how to do henna. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Just want to share with you guys all the things that I love to do by blinging my nails and doing henna and just all the creative stuff I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I just wanted to let you know if you were like, why are you not posting Mommy Mondays, Weight Loss Wednesdays, Fabulous Fridays? I will still be posting mommy videos. I will still be posting weight loss videos. I will still be posting Fabulous Friday makeup looks, you know, like I will still be posting all those. I'm just not going to call it those names. So if you guys were kind of wondering, Gina, what is going on with all your videos? Why are they all mumbo jumbo? I'm sorry, but I'm going to be giving you more videos to watch, so hopefully you guys understand and like that a little bit better. So I did mention in my Kit Kat video, if you guys saw that, I created merch, and that will be listed down below in the description box. I have phone cases, t-shirts, and sweatshirts that say hashtag Diva Squad. So if you are not a part of the Diva Squad, make sure to subscribe and join. Don't forget to turn on post notifications because I got some more videos coming your way. Alright you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!